How do you fix Pratfall is crashing on Steam? First, you want to right-click the game in your library, open up the Properties window. Now, in the Launch Options box, you want to add -dx11, then go to Installed Files and verify the game files. And once this process is completed, you can close Steam. Next, you want to open up your browser and go to this link, which is going to be in the description. And then you'll need to download and install the redistributables. You'll need the 86 and the 64 installer, both of them. And once you finish the installation, this will require a computer restart. Now, right after the restart, you'll also need to check if your GPU has the latest driver updates. For NVIDIA, you will need the NVIDIA app, which you can download and install, and then go to drivers. And from here, you can check for the latest available drivers and install them. And if you're running AMD, you will need to get the AMD software. Now, once you're done, you will need to open up Steam as admin, right-click on Steam and run as admin, and then just launch the game from your Steam library. And this should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.